Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this dark and fun Halloween flower crown. For the materials, you'll need flowers, a bat spray, a hot glue gun, a headband, electrical tape, and wire cutters. First, clip the flowers off the stems. Then hot glue the flowers on the headband in the order you'd like them to go. After that, clip off the excess stem from the flowers. Then take a long strip of electrical tape and cover where you glued the stems to the headband. After that, clip off 3 of the bats from the spray. Then glue the bats around the headband. Cover the glue with electrical tape. And that's it! It's really so pretty and a fun little accessory for Halloween. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!